I've always believed that old technology holds memories. Maybe it's the nostalgia, booting up a dusty console, scrolling through half-forgotten playlists, or finding saved chats with people you don't even talk to anymore. But what I found on my old laptop was not nostalgia. It was something else. Something I can't explain, and something I wish I had never seen. It started about a week ago. I was cleaning out my storage closet when I found my old Dell Inspiron laptop tucked inside a cardboard box. The thing was ancient, covered in stickers from bands I barely remembered listening to, the edges chipped, the keys stiff. Honestly, I was surprised it still existed. I decided to boot it up one last time before throwing it away. I thought maybe I'd stumble across old photos, embarrassing high school essays, or some forgotten games. And at first, that's exactly what I found. The laptop wheezed and groaned like it was waking up from a coma. The fan screamed, the screen flickered, and Windows XP popped onto the display. That sight alone made me laugh, nostalgia flooding in like a wave. I started browsing. Folders labeled school projects, music, stuff. A graveyard of half-finished Word documents and MP3s ripped from LimeWire. I couldn't help but smile. But then I noticed a folder sitting on the desktop. It was labeled, System_32_backup. Now, if you know anything about Windows, you'd recognize System32 as a critical system directory. Except this one wasn't inside the C drive. It wasn't hidden in some deep file path. It was right there on the desktop, like it was waiting for me. At first, I thought it was just some dumb prank I had pulled on myself years ago. Maybe I renamed a folder to look creepy. But curiosity got the better of me. I double-clicked it. Inside were hundreds of subfolders. Each was named with a random string of numbers and letters, like A94F21, B19X33, 0x0047. The sort of naming convention you'd expect from auto-generated system files. But when I